Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing my second SEOULBOX from mySEOULBOX.com. I got two variations, hopefully they're different, because I got the Soul V1 and SEOULBOX Signature. Soul V1 time. I don't know where. Let's see. Hope it's a little different, because I thought I got different versions. The box looks the same. Let's see. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Nice. Okay, this one's different for sure. SEOULBOX is a little magazine they give you. Just information on Korea and various cultural things. Nice. Okay. Here's what comes in the box. Yeah, this one's different. That's good. Okay. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, so this one has this sweet potato chips. Nice. Looks good. More chips. But I guess cheese something flavored? I don't know. Ooh, some rice cakes. Rice cookie. Nice. Okay. Brown rice pocket. Oh, nice. Okay, another cookie. Rice cookie. Some chips. Chicken flavored, I assume. Again, this one's a little crushed, but whatever. Rice, brown rice. Noodle cup. Nice. It's cool. Now drink. I don't know what it is, but it's a little drink. Yeah, I don't know. It's in Korean. I can't read it. Some kiwi paste jelly something. Okay, this is this. Nice. Some, it looks like a cookie. Mask. Hopefully for face. Some sort of beauty mask. Nice. Cookie with filling. This is like a cookie, like a soft cookie. It's a cookie or cake. These are, oh, these are kind of like dog bones. Let me see. Oh, here. Oh, those are these. I know the name. Crispy rolls. 2. And the little keychain. Nice, nice. Yeah. Well, that was SEOULBOX. I think that should be the SEOULBOX V or SEOULBOX 5. Nice. A lot of things. Different flavors. Thanks for watching and talk to you now.